All right, folks. Here we are trying to make a quick video. It's really cold. Putting my gloves on. And this is the day after. So yes, January 30th, 2022. And we are here after the storm. Blizzard, actually. Beautiful blue skies. This is my favorite, one of my favorite parts after the falling snow is really nice blue sky, even though it's freezing, but everything looks really nice. And people over there seems like they're digging out. So some of the sidewalks, as you can see, have been cleared out by, well, especially by property management. They'll take care of their sidewalks right away. Folks like homes and stuff, they take a little longer. But there is so much snow. Look at this pile right here. I did get a snow total this morning from the airport from Boston Logan. And it said that they got, I believe, oh darn it, I think it said 24.5 inches, 33 and a half, 24 and a half. I believe it's 24 and a half, but I'll verify that. 24.5 inches of snow. The trees are all, the bushes, everybody's out and about trying to clear their sidewalks. But there's so much snow. I did shovel a little bit, and oh, thank you, appreciate it. I'm afraid of these cars sliding around. Thank you. So yeah, so that's the for Boston, that's official measurement. They measured it at the airport, and then all the other places around will measure theirs. Oh, I like this path. It's like a little, oh, where are we going? But as you can see, there's a lot of snow, and the snow is really heavy. It has compacted. Oh, this guy's busy. Let me see if he lets me through real quick. You know, he's doing his thing. He's clearing the driveway. There's a lot of snow here. Alright, it's an opportunity. See, this is a good snow blower right here. Look at that. Nice, flat, nice and beautiful. You do have to blow the snow, obviously, away somewhere. These are lucky they have a lot of room to do that. But some people don't have that, and a lot of it goes through the side of the roads here. This is winter in Boston. I absolutely love this. Look how beautiful. Blue sky, nice white powder. Look at them. Bushes are covered up like ice cones. It's like almost like Italian ice, except it's supposed to be backwards. Not. Look at this. Nice packed. I don't know if you can see. Did I write something? I can't see. There's a lot of glare on my phone right now, so I can't really tell. But yep, this is it. Look at this. It is really cold. I believe it is around 13 degrees right now. So it is really cold, which is nice because then we don't have slush. Sometimes we get snowstorms where it doesn't get really cold afterwards. And all this, instead of looking like really nice, at least, when you're walking around and everything, you don't get slush, right? And I hate walking in slush, even though it's not easy walking in the snow, because it is hard to walk in the snow. It takes a lot out of you. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, this doesn't look really good. We're gonna try our best. See, people are blowing. See over there, Snow blowers everywhere. This street looks pretty good right here. The sun's out, so some of it on the roads, it's melting a little bit. I think he's doing, so I might go over here because it's cleaning the sidewalk. Look at that tree, it's beautiful. See, so this is the slush that I was talking about, but these are the roads. So the roads do tend, oh, this is a snowball fight. This guy is throwing me all the snow, as you can see. It's a snowball fight. Oh, that's why it's slushy, because this guy is throwing all the snow. Yeah, I said hello, and I meant like, don't be throwing all your snow on me. Jesus. We are headed to the park. I'm gonna walk, actually. I'm gonna take the sidewalk right here, because you don't want to be on the road if you don't have to, with all this slippery sliding going around and cars driving around. It ain't fun. See? It's a little, this is a shady side. That's why I wasn't the other one, because, you know, you can see the snow better. More snow over there. Yeah, this one has stabilization, I think. Am I just noticing that? Because we ain't moving around too much. And I'm walking. It's stabilizing. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it here. My hands are a little cold. I'm gonna head to the park, which I'm close to the park right